Today I'm going to show you how to make my wife's favorite taco bake dish. I've got everything ready to go here, so let's get started. Okay, we got a can of petite diced tomatoes, some tomato sauce, taco seasoning, sour cream, a pound of hamburger, a package of crescent rolls. I got a lemon here, I'm not sure why, I don't need a lemon for this. Some avocados for the guacamole, some shredded cheese, and a bag of Doritos. You don't necessarily need party size, but I have a bad habit of eating the ingredients before I even bake a thing, and as you can see, it's already been opened. Okay, oven turned on to 350. First thing, let's cook the hamburger. First, let's get the hamburger out. Gotta tell you, this is one of my favorite kitchen tools right there. Chop up your hamburger in no time. Add a little seasoning salt. Alright, now we're getting somewhere. Got a little bit of grease in here, so I'm going to drain the hamburger. Alright. Now we add the diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, taco seasoning, mix that all up there, and we're going to let that simmer. While that's simmering, we're going to get ready to make the crust for the taco bake, and for that we need our crescent rolls. Open this up. It's like a jack-in-the-box. You never know when it's gonna happen. Oh! Always startles me. As I stop to ask myself, did I wash my hands? Yes, I did. And you just kind of press it down into the baking pan. Smoosh them all together like that. Does not need to be perfect. You can take little pieces and fill in the gaps here and there. There we go. Wash my hands. Alright, so now it's time to add the sour cream. That's going to be our first layer down on the bottom there. Drop a couple spoonfuls down. Woo, like that. I love the sound it makes when it goes blop. Alright, then we just take our mix here. We're just going to give it another stir. I'm going to put a little bit of cheese over the sour cream. Just a little. And then all this, just dump it right in there. Like so. And then the rest of the cheese, say, you know what? That's not enough cheese. There. Right, so then we're going to put it in the oven. For 15 minutes. Alright, now time for the Doritos. So we need 4 cups of Doritos. Something like that. Go. And then you just crush them up. Dorito hands. And while we're waiting for the stuff to bake, help to finish off the Doritos. And now it's time to make the guacamole. Got my special guac bowl. Seen the guys in the restaurants how they do this. And they take that knife and they just go whack right into the pit. I am not so confident in my ability not to slice my hand open. So I won't be doing that. Now, everyone makes guacamole a little bit different. I've got 2 special ingredients: Lowry seasoning salt and Penzeys ground red chipotle. It's all you need. And here again is my favorite kitchen tool. It's good for hamburger, good for guac. Here we go. Get a clean spoon here and give it a try. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Okay, after 15 minutes of baking, we take it out. Oh, that is a beautiful sight. And add the Doritos. Okay, the original recipe I had on this said to put the Doritos on and then put it in for the full 30 minutes in the oven, but I thought the Doritos got a little brownie burnt, so I bake for 15 minutes, then put the Doritos on, and then bake for 15 more. So, all ready now. And inch. It is ready. Oh, yeah. All right, so that's making my wife's favorite taco bake. After you take it out of the oven, you'll probably want to give it about 15 minutes to cool off. So it's perfect time to finish off the Doritos. Bye.